In the tech world, many companies talk about the future, but only a few companies actually build it. Right now, something big is happening that can change the way people travel. For many years, flying cars were only shown in movies. People believed they were impossible. But today, this idea has become a serious competition. Experts say the race to build a real flying car has already started. Across the world, major tech companies are developing new engines, new batteries, advanced AI systems, and new safety tools that can lift a vehicle into the air. Building a flying car is extremely difficult because it needs the safety of a helicopter, the design of a car, the intelligence of AI, and the efficiency of an electric system. Most companies failed because they could not master all these skills at the same time. But according to insiders, there is one company that might finally bring this idea to life. That company is Xiaomi. A few years ago, Xiaomi was mainly known for smartphones. But the company grew fast and entered many new markets. Xiaomi made smart devices, TVs, tablets, home electronics, and built a strong technology ecosystem. Later, the company took a big step and entered the automobile world with the Xiaomi SU7. People were surprised because Xiaomi had never produced cars before, but the SU7 shocked the entire industry. In China, the SU7 became one of the most popular electric cars within a very short time. Buyers waited months for delivery. Some variants were sold for higher prices in the secondary market. Experts said they had never seen such a strong response for a first car from a new company. The success came from Xiaomi's smart strategy. The SU7 had a powerful battery with high energy density. It had fast acceleration, a clean design, and a strong autopilot powered by Xiaomi's AI system. But the most important feature was the full Xiaomi ecosystem inside the car. Phones, tablets, smartwatches, smart home devices, and cloud services work together smoothly. This changed how people looked at electric cars. This success raised a new question. If Xiaomi can do this on the ground, can it also take its technology into the air? Many insiders believe the answer is yes. Reports say that Xiaomi is already working on a flying version of the SU7. Some documents call it Skyline SU7. There is no official confirmation yet, but leaks describe a very advanced project. People who claim to have seen early prototypes say the design looks like the regular SU7. It has a long front shape, a smooth rear curve, clean lines, and strong aerodynamics. But the real innovation is hidden inside the body. Xiaomi's flying SU7 prototype reportedly has electric rotors inside the frame. These rotors can lift the vehicle straight up, just like a vertical takeoff aircraft. For forward flight, the vehicle uses impellers with adjustable thrust. This means the vehicle can rise like a drone and fly like a small plane. There are also rumors about a version with 8 small fans placed along the sides. This is called a distributed thrust system. It gives smooth lift and high safety. If one fan stops working, the other fans keep the vehicle stable. This idea fits with Xiaomi's experience in drones, because China already leads the world in drone engineering. Companies like DJI have developed advanced stabilization systems, and Xiaomi can easily apply similar ideas to a flying car. Xiaomi is not only building a flying vehicle, it is also preparing for the world where flying cars will operate. According to reports from Chinese technology news sources, Xiaomi is discussing new rules with regulators for hybrid flying vehicles that can use roads and air. They are talking about creating safe air corridors with flying lanes between 50 and 120 meters. These corridors will allow flying cars to travel inside cities without disturbing normal aircraft routes. China is already testing low-altitude corridors for cargo drones and small electric aircraft. So creating a passenger version is a logical next step. If the government supports the idea, Xiaomi can quickly become the first company to introduce flying cars into city transportation. Xiaomi's long-term strategy also supports this direction. The company has said it wants to become a global technology leader and change how mobility works in the future. The success of the SU7 proved that Xiaomi can compete with Tesla, BYD, and NIO in China's most competitive market. Now, Xiaomi may attempt something even bigger, bringing aerial mobility to normal consumers. Reports suggest the first flying prototypes may be shown no earlier than 2026. But some insiders claim that private test flights are already happening at one of Xiaomi's research centers in Beijing. People have reported seeing a short SU7-shaped structure with lift rotors and a stabilization system similar to DJI's enterprise-grade drones. Xiaomi does not confirm these claims, but the company's actions point in that direction. Xiaomi has sharply increased the number of engineers in its aerospace division. This team was previously focused on satellite communication and navigation systems. Now experts believe they're working on flight control software, propulsion design, and safety algorithms for a flying vehicle. When a company hires hundreds of engineers in a new department, it usually means a major project is underway. If Xiaomi succeeds, the impact could be as big as the introduction of the first iPhone. But this time, the product will not only change how people use technology, it can change how people move from one place to another. Flying cars can solve real problems like heavy traffic, long travel times, and crowded roads. With correct AI navigation, strong batteries, and safe air routes, flying cars can become a normal part of life. This is why tech analysts are watching Xiaomi closely. The company has a long history of entering new markets and becoming a leader very quickly. It entered the smartphone world and became one of the top global brands in a few years. It entered the smart electronics market and grew rapidly. Now, Xiaomi has entered the electric car market and surprised the entire industry with the SU7. Because of this pattern, many analysts believe Xiaomi might be the first company to successfully create a mass market flying car. The company has the engineering power, the ecosystem, the AI system, and the manufacturing capability to combine everything into one advanced vehicle. Technology is growing faster every year. For example, batteries are becoming lighter, motors are becoming more efficient, and AI systems are becoming smarter. These improvements make it easier to dream about flying vehicles that were once impossible. Xiaomi is in a strong position because it works in many different areas. It makes consumer electronics, it builds cars, it designs smart software, and it understands how to integrate many systems into one device. This combination is rare and gives Xiaomi a major advantage over old car companies that only understand traditional automobiles. Many experts believe that the future of travel will not rely only on roads. Cities are becoming more crowded. Millions of people travel long distances every day for work, school, and business. Roads cannot expand forever. Air mobility is one of the few solutions that can reduce pressure on roads. A flying SU7 can take a person across a city in minutes instead of hours. This can save time, reduce stress, and improve productivity. If Xiaomi builds air corridors that are safe and controlled by AI, flying cars can become as normal as electric scooters or motorcycles. The company can also integrate real-time traffic data, weather predictions, and obstacle detection into the flying system. This can make the vehicle safer than a human-driven car on the road. We live in a time when new ideas become real very quickly. A few years ago, people did not believe smartphones could control an entire home. Today, it is normal. A few years ago, people did not believe electric cars could become mainstream. Now, they are everywhere. So, when experts say flying cars may arrive soon, The idea does not sound strange anymore. Maybe in a few years we will watch the first Skyline SU7 lift from a test platform and fly across a city. Maybe one day, families will own a flying car the same way they own a normal car today. This change will not only be a new invention, it will be a new chapter in human travel. For now, all we can do is wait and observe. Every leak, every insider report, and every new hiring by Xiaomi shows that something exciting is being prepared. If the rumors are true, Xiaomi may be the company that takes humanity from the road to the sky. If you want more simple and interesting videos about new technology, remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel. More amazing updates are on the way.